Hello dear students, this video is about the nomenclature of element whose atomic number is greater than 100. Okay, means in this video we will see that how to write IUPAC name for an element whose atomic number is greater than 100. Okay, so today's topic is IUPAC nomenclature for element whose Z is greater than 100. So actually it is very simple to write a name for any element having atomic number greater than 100. For this we will use this table. Okay, as you can see in this table that for a specific digit here is a specific root word, like for 0 nil, for 1 we will use un, for 2 bi, for 3 tri, for 4 quad, for 5 pent, for 6 hex, for 7 sept, for 8 oct, for 9 n. Okay, and these are their abbreviations. Okay, so let's start the IUPAC name. Suppose we want to write the IUPAC name for 101. Okay, so simply you will pick the root word for all these digits from this table. Like for 1 root word is un. Okay, now for 0 root word is nil. For 1 again root word is un. Okay, so simply we will add all the root words for the given digits. Okay, and in last, according to IUPAC rule, we have to add em, IUM. Okay, and now here we have the name of this element un, nil, un, em. Okay, so this is the IUPAC name for 101. Now how to write its symbol? So for symbol simply you will use the abbreviation. Like for un abbreviation is U, for nil it's N, and for un again it's U. In writing the symbol, remember one thing, then first letter should be capital. Okay, now for 102 un, nil, and for 2 it's bi, and again we have to add em, so name will be un, nil, bm. Okay, and symbol is U, N, B. You must have noticed one thing here, that I have skipped one I here. Okay, bi it's have one I, and em again one I. So in these type of cases you will ignore the I word. Okay, one I word. You will write BM only. Okay, similarly for tri, if tri will come before em, then again you will write trium only. And one more condition you will get n and nil. If n will come before nil, then again you will skip one n, then it will be nil. Okay, so remember these points. In these three conditions you will use you will skip one letter, one alphabet. Okay, now for 103 un, nil, tri, and em, so name will be un, nil, trium. In this case we will skip one I here. Okay, and symbol will be U, N, T. Okay, so this is the IUPAC name for 103, and this is the symbol for 103. Now suppose we want to write the IUPAC name for 101. Okay, 110. So un, because for 11 its root word is un, plus for 0 nil, and then we will add em, then name will be un, nil, em. Okay, and symbol will be U, N. first letter small, capital UUN. Okay, now for 118, suppose we want to write, then un oct plus em, then name will be un octium. Okay, un octium, and symbol un octium. Okay, UUO. Now for 120, un bi nil em, so name will be un bi nilium, and symbol would be UBN. So this is how you can write the IUPAC name for the element having atomic number greater than 100. Okay.